Hey guys, welcome back to Social Net. In today's video, I'll show you how you can delete account on tagged application from your mobile device. Let me tell you this first that if you delete your account will be closed permanently and you won't be able to use that account again. If you wish to use tagged account later in the future, you will need to sign up for new tagged account. If you are looking for a way to delete your account on tagged application from your mobile device, then you have come to the right place. Tag takes the convenience factor a step further with an online dating service that eliminates the need to go to the offline at all. Now in this video, I'll show you how to delete tagged account via website. Now in order to get started, watch this video very carefully and follow these simple steps. First, go to any browser on your mobile device and tap on it to open. On the search field, go and search for tag.com. Once you land onto an interface like this, go to the top right corner of your screen and tap onto the three horizontal dots. Now you need to change this mobile compatible site into the desktop site. Now your page will look something like this after changing it into the desktop site. Now log into your tagged account by entering your email address and the password you have set while creating the account. Or you can directly log in with the existing Facebook, Apple ID or Google account. Once you have logged into your account, you will land onto an interface like this. Now go to the account option and hover the cursor over it. Once you do that, you will see various of options available. Go to the settings option and tap on it. Now on this page that appears, go to the subscription and payment tab if you are using the premier version of tagged account. Then cancel all your subscriptions, then go back to the general tab. Here on the cancel account section, you can see you may cancel your tagged account at any time. Go and tap onto it. Now you will select the reasons why you want to delete your tagged account. Now scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap onto yes, I want to cancel my tagged account. If you had created an account using an email address, then you will have to enter a password in order to delete your account. And if you were logged in with a Facebook or Google account, then it deletes your account immediately and brings you back to the login page. And this is how easily you can delete a tagged account via tagged official website. I believe the procedure was easy enough to undertake. Because this will be it for today guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful, subscribe to the channel and stay updated for more videos like this. Bye bye.